Welcome, dear viewers, to our fascinating and informative video on what stocks the most influential people in the world buy in the stock market. The stock market has always been the place where important economic decisions and strategic plays take place, and it's certainly attracted the attention of many of the world's leaders, tycoons, and investors. Today, we'll explore which companies and industries attract the world's most influential people, and which stocks become the focus of their interest. Let's explore together what factors drive their investment decisions and how they impact the global economy. Ready to find out where the capital of the most influential people on the planet goes? Then don't miss your chance to find out in our video. Chapter 1: Analyzing specific companies and industries that attract the interest of influencers. 1. Technology sector. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft are always in the spotlight. Influential investors and leaders look at their innovation, profitability, and impact on the global technology industry. 2. The electric car industry. Tesla Incorporated and other electric vehicle companies are attracting investor interest due to the shift to clean energy and sustainable transportation. Investors are watching the success and innovation in this area. And before we move on, I want to recommend you the best platform for earning and investing. With Bybit, you can become financially free and successful. And using the promo code below the video, you will get $1,000 for signing up, and we will continue. 3. Healthcare and biotech. Drug development and medical technology companies such as Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson have become the center of attention in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Investors are interested in how they impact public health and the economy. 4. Green energy. With the growing interest in sustainable energy, solar and wind energy companies such as NextEra Energy and Enphase Energy have become investment targets of influential investors. 5. Financial sector. Banks and financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs are always in the spotlight because of their role in the global economy and financial markets. 6. E-commerce. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba have a huge impact on retail and e-commerce. Investors are watching their growth and strategies. 7. Internet and social media. Facebook, Meta Platforms Incorporated, Twitter, and other social media platforms are attracting the attention of leaders and investors because of their role in free speech and digital transformation. 8. Innovative startups. Some influencers are actively investing in startups and new technologies that could change the game in the future. Chapter 2: Specific examples of stocks and companies that are generating outstanding returns for influential investors. 1. Apple. Apple is one example of a company whose stock has delivered outstanding returns to many investors. Warren Buffett, a renowned investor, is considered one of the largest shareholders of Apple and has profited significantly from the company's rising stock price. 2. Amazon. AMZ and Amazon, one of the leading companies in e-commerce and cloud computing, has attracted the attention of many investors, including Jeff Bezos, the company's founder. His investment in Amazon is generating significant returns. 3. Tesla. Tesla Incorporated and its stock has become a target of Elon Musk's interest. He is not only the founder of the company, but also the largest shareholder. The rise in Tesla's stock price has brought him huge profits. 1. Berkshire Hathaway. BRK.B. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, runs Berkshire Hathaway. His shares in Berkshire Hathaway have generated steady income and have grown in value over time. 2. Alphabet Incorporated. GOGL. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google, have a significant amount of stock in Alphabet Incorporated. Google continues to dominate the search industry and online advertising. 3. Microsoft. MSFT. Bill Gates, one of the founders of Microsoft, has long been the company's largest shareholder. The growth of Microsoft stock has brought him a lot of profits. 4. Facebook is one of the company's largest shareholders. The growth of Facebook's social media platform has brought him outstanding profits. 5. Netflix. NFLX. Recommendations and shares of Netflix have been the target of many investors due to its growing consumer base and the popularity of streaming video. These companies and stocks serve as good examples of how successful investors can achieve outstanding returns in the stock market. Chapter 3: Strategies and tips from influential people. 1. Long-term investing. Warren Buffett always encourages long-term investing. He says that it is best to hold stocks of companies that you believe in and that have the potential for long-term growth. 2. Portfolio diversity. Investors like Ray Dalio recommend diversifying your investment portfolio. This helps reduce risk and protect yourself from losses. 3. Keeping up with innovation. Katie Wood, founder of ARK Invest, believes that following innovation and investing in technology companies with high growth potential can bring success in the market. For research and education, many successful investors adhere to the principle of continuing education. They are constantly learning about markets, companies, and the economy. 5. Ignoring market noise. Investors like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger advise ignoring short-term market fluctuations and taking a long-term view. 6. Understanding risks. Investors emphasize the importance of understanding risks and making informed decisions. They also advise having contingency funds to manage the unexpected. 7. Maintaining discipline. Maintaining discipline in investing, including setting a strategy and sticking to it, is considered key to successful outcomes. 8. Managing emotions. Investors recommend controlling emotions such as fear and greed to avoid making emotional decisions in the market. These tips and strategies can help you better understand how successful investors and world leaders make decisions in financial markets and business. Summarizing, we have looked at which companies and industries attract the attention of the most successful and influential investors and leaders. From Apple and Amazon to Tesla and Alphabet, these companies have become a target of interest because of their financial performance, innovation, and potential for long-term growth. As a reminder, investing always involves risk, and successful investments require informed decisions and careful analysis. However, knowing which stocks are attracting the attention of influencers can help you better understand stock market dynamics and develop your own investing strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and leave a comment with your questions and opinions. We were happy to share this information with you, and we wish you a successful stock market investment. Until the next video.